Good morning, you amazing people. So today it is really early, so we have to be really quiet, so that's why I'm doing voiceover for everything. But I'm gonna bring you through a normal routine of getting ready for school with me. Okay, let's get started. I'm going to start by priming my face with my INC.Redible Good Day Jelly Spray, as always. Then I do my eyebrows. For eyeshadow, I started with Nude Beach, which is, I think, in Bodacious or something along those lines, and just blended that out on my eyelid. To add a little more depth, I took my Top Beauty Starry Sky palette and took one of these darker browns and, blended that into the crease as well. From my Frost Karity palette, I will be taking this kind of more copper gold, as well as a little bit later we'll be taking more of a yellow, there it is, and packing that onto my eyelid. Take the same colors we used before and put them on the lower lash line. For eyelashes, I like to curl them with whatever curler you prefer, and then I took my Thrive Causmetics mascara and popped that onto my eyelashes. Then I repeat all these steps on my other eye. For my lipstick, I took my Mellow Cosmetics in, I think, Nude it is, and pop that on my lips. It is my favorite lipstick, so I basically wear it every day. For highlight recently, I've been taking this IBY Highlighter in Privet Jet because I got it in my Ipsy bag this past month, and it's a really nice highlighter. And I also lost my favorite one, so oh well. And there we have it. This is the look I decided to go for this morning to get ready for some school. Thank you all so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below, as well as share the video with your friends if possible, because it really helps me when you do. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye!